Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country on your Amazon app. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's first just tap on those three lines at the very bottom right. And to do this, we're going to swipe over on the top under your shortcuts until you get to account. After you're on here, there are three ways to change that country, depending on what you want to change and whether you are just visiting somewhere or wanting to shop in a different country, or whether you permanently move to a different country. The first thing that I would recommend doing is scrolling down, and you're going to look for under account settings where it says devices. Tap on that. And you'll be able to see all of the devices associated with your Amazon account. Now, let's say you have an Amazon Fire tablet or a Kindle or something like that, and you wanted to move over all of the purchases, all of the digital purchases, everything to a different country. You can do that by tapping on Preferences there at the top right. And from here, you'll be able to see country or region settings. I can tap on change here, and instead of the United States, I can enter in an entirely new address here and a new country. Instead of the United States, I can choose any one that I want. Let's say instead of the United States, I move to Canada. I can just enter in the Canadian address on here and then hit update. It'll update it across all of my devices. Now, if you didn't necessarily want to do this, you just want to shop in another country and maybe another currency, there's another option. Let's hit the back button here and then back again. And now we're in the settings again. You can see under orders, let's keep scrolling down, account settings, keep scrolling down, and you'll be able to see personalized content. Let's tap on your shopping preferences right here. Now, when you're in here, you can see a bunch of different clothing, but at the top right is English and the United States. I can tap on it, and it says, which country/region language do you want to shop in? And in this case, instead of the United States, I can choose a different country on this list, essentially having the currency and the country for that specific country. And again, language as well. You can see, you can switch to the United Kingdom and see everything in any kind of other currency, in this case, pounds, or you might have it like European Union or something like that. Now, that is one option to be able to change it. The last option that I want to show you is let's go back to the, again, settings or this menu icon, and let's scroll down from here and choose your addresses. Now, on your address, it might still be in the old country, in this case, the United States. All I need to do to update the country is hit add a new address. And instead of the United States, again, I can choose any country on this list. Just find a random country that you wanted to change it to, and then just enter the name, the address, the town, all of that. And then you will have updated that address as well if you wanted everything you order on Amazon to be shipped to that new address in the new country. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks.